Okay, let's get into it.
In the heart of the enchanted garden, something was missing. The soft, silvery moonlight that usually bathed the garden in a magical glow had vanished. But why?
The moonlight, it's gone. How will the garden sparkle without it? I must find out what happened. Hello, little fish. Have you seen the moonlight? It's missing from the sky.
The moonlight has hidden away far from here, but I hold the first clue, dear Cleo. Answer this riddle to proceed. What can fill a room but takes up no space?
Oh, I know, it's light, like the moonlight we're missing.
Correct. The next clue lies with the owl of wisdom in the ancient oak tree.
Greetings, Cleo. I hear you seek the moonlight.
Yes, Oscar. The fish said you could help me find the next clue.
Indeed, but first you must answer this. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with wind. What am I?
You must be an echo.
Correct, Cleo. The final clue lies with the Moonflower in the hidden grove. Hurry before the night fades.
Moonflower, do you know where the moonlight has gone?
The moon has lost its glow, Cleo. It needs your help to shine once more. The answer lies in the riddle. What has keys but can't open locks?
A piano. It has keys but can't open locks.
You have solved the final riddle. Now go to the top of the garden's hill where the moon awaits.
Okay, Moon. Tell me, why have you lost your glow?
I was lonely and thought no one would notice if I dimmed my light. But you, Cleo, have shown me that I am needed.
You are so important, Moon. The garden needs your light, just as we all need each other.
Thank you, Cleo. Because of you, the garden will sparkle again.
And so, Cleo saved the night, reminding us all that even the smallest light can brighten the darkest places. Good night, little ones, and remember, you are all a part of the magic.
Thank you for watching. It would be awesome if you would take the time to comment, like, and subscribe. Ring the bell so that we can notify you of our new videos. Have a great day. Bye-bye.